So now we're going to do the next challenge, and that challenge is right here. And I'm going to get rid of the code we already did in this one. And this code. And this code. And create a type circle. So type circle struct. I'll have these fields, and it will be a circle will be 2 pi r radius, and radius will be a float 64. And I think that's all you need to know, right? For area, what's area of a circle? Pi r squared. That's fine. And the next one, we want to create a type square. Let's do square first. And it's a struct. And a square just has side float 64. So we have square, and attach a method to each that calculates the area and prints it. So func receiver s square area and format.println. Let's have it return, and returns it. Float 64. So we'll return side times side. And that's going to be S side. S side. And then we can just copy that. And do C circle. And it's pi r squared. Radius. And pi, Golang pi, math, pi, constant. So it's in package math. So we want to import that. Import. And I could just do, it's lowercase m, math.pi times that, and format, and it imported math. Cool. So that's the start. So next one's the interface. So let you guys type and catch up, and you could try the interface. I'll do the interface. How many people want me to do the interface? The interface part's going to be a little bit hard, right? Yeah, I'll do the interface, and then you guys could do this part. So type, and the type will be shape, interface, and it defines functionality, anything that has that functionality. I'm just questioning myself, so I'm going to go look at Godoc.io. Godoc, and look at the writer interface, or the reader interface, and it's write, dun dun. So I need this too. Area that float 64, write that in the return. So that's right. So anything that has this method will implicitly implement the shape interface. I want to create a func which takes type shape and prints the area. Then use. And now create a create a value of type square. Create a value of type circle. Print the area. Use info, func info to print the area of square. Circle. So next step, type shape interface. We did that one. Now create a func info which takes type shape and then prints the area. And so we have func info takes s shape and it prints the area. Print line s area. And area needs to return a float 64, which is what we'll get back by that. And that float 64 will be there, which will be printed. Cool. Now, func info, which takes type shape and then prints the area. Create a value of type square. SQ colon equals square composite literal. And a square has a side, which is float 64. This square is going to be 20 by 20. And when we do it like that, I guess I'll just do it like this, and I don't need commas. And then the next one is cir, colon equal is a circle. And a circle has a radius. That's float 64. I'm going to make this one 4. So create a square, create a circle, use func info to print the area of square and circle. So now I could do info square, info circ. And that should be it. And when square is passed in, info asks for the area function, so it will use this area function. And when circle's passed in, info asks for the area function, so it will use this area function for the circle. Polymorphism, different behavior depending upon the situation. Fumped, undefined, format, run. Whoa, isn't that cool? And yeah, I like it. So there's the answer. And I'll post these on Twitter.